Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a Dreamcatcher infinity mirror. So it's just got a Dreamcatcher inside with some lights, but it looks like it goes on forever. And I made this using a Poundland mirror, so one of these. You can use any mirror as long as it's got a deep frame. And then you're going to need a Dreamcatcher that can fit inside it. So you want it to fit nice and snugly in there. You can buy the Dreamcatcher or you can make it yourself. I've got other tutorials on Dreamcatchers of different styles and things if you want to make your own. And then you're also going to need some micro LED lights. So I've just got this pack that was again from Poundland. So you don't need anything super expensive for this. I know you can get like strip LED lights, which are usually used for infinity mirrors. They're a bit more expensive, so you can use those, or if you want to go for the cheaper option, these work as well. So you're going to take the LED lights, they're on a wire, and you're going to wrap these around the edge of the Dreamcatcher. You want to try and space out the lights as evenly as possible, and you want the little LED lights to be on the inside of the Dreamcatcher, not on the outside. So you're going to wrap that way until it's all the way around. I'm just testing to make sure it still works, like I haven't pulled anything. That's what it looks like. So now we're going to attach this to the mirror. So you're going to take a hot glue gun, and we're going to start by putting some glue on one side of the Dreamcatcher. Then I'm going to place it halfway up the mirror frame and just hold that in place until it dries, then add some more glue around the other sides as well. I use hot glue because it just dries super quickly and it holds it in place nicely. So next you're going to need a round piece of glass that will fit on the front, or you can use plastic, and you need to clean it, make sure it's all clean. I actually used this bit of plastic from a large A3 frame, I think it was, that came from Poundland. That doesn't have glass and it has plastic, so I'll cut this out of that. And this works just as well. And then you're also going to need some one-way mirror film. It's the kind of stuff you use for privacy on your windows and things. And you have to follow the instructions of how to use this because some of them are slightly different. This one, you just need to spray it with water and then carefully put it on top of the glass or plastic and smooth it out. Make sure there's no air bubbles or anything with it. Some of the foils require you to use a little bit of washing up liquid as well. This one only needed some just plain water. So I'm going to smooth it out and cut off any excess. And then the next thing to do is just to glue this on the front. Now you want to make sure the battery pack is coming out the bottom. So because this isn't glass, I could just use prick stick. If you use glass, you're going to want to use something a lot more durable. So I'll just put that on. And then to hide the battery pack, you can add some velcro to that and stick it on the back of this. Or you can just leave it and hide it behind the back if you're standing up. And that's it, you're done. Alternatively, you can do this without the Dreamcatcher and just glue the lights around the middle of the frame, and this will just make a blank kind of infinity mirror without the Dreamcatcher, which still looks really awesome. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Bye!